Hello, welcome to our channel. Annual Assessment Practice Question Paper 2024 and 25, Class 8, Subject Science. Total marks 80 and time is 3 hours. First, objective type question, section A. Choose the correct option and write. Question number 1. PET is a type of a pitch, B strength, C रबर, डी पॉलिएस्टर। देखिए यहाँ पर जो पीईटी पॉली एथिलीन टेरेफ्थलेट पॉलिएस्टर ये परिवार का एक प्रकार का ये थर्मोप्लास्टिक पॉलीमर रेजिन है, तो इसका सही आंसर होगा पॉलिएस्टर, टी ऑप्शन। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है इंक्रीज with increase of frequency. A increases, B decreases, C does not increases, D does not increase. यहाँ पर दो ऑप्शन does not increase ये आ गया है। एनीवे राइट आंसर क्या होगा? यहाँ इंक्रीज होगा, ए ऑप्शन। ध्वनि प्रबलता आवृत्ति में वृद्धि के साथ वो बढ़ती है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ अप्लाइंग a layer of anchor metal on a material by electric current is called A electrolysis, B electrocoating, C chemical reaction, D electro refining. Right answer is a electrocoating, B. विद्युत धारा का उपयोग करके किसी धातु की वस्तु को दूसरी धातु की पतली परत से लेपित करने की प्रक्रिया को इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग कहा जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज अ नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्स? ए वाइन एनर्जी, बी पेट्रोलियम, सी टाइडल एनर्जी, डी सोलर एनर्जी। Right answer is a petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel and a non-renewable resources as it takes millions of years to form. Fifth question, which of the following planets does not have satellites? A Mars, B Uranus, C Mercury, D Neptune. Right answer is a Mercury. Mercury and Venus are the only two planets in our solar system that do not have natural satellite. 6. The hardest substance in nature is graphite, stone, diamond, charcoal. Right answer is a diamond. Diamond is known to be the hardest naturally occurring substance. 7. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? A distilled water, B lemon water, C salt water, D tap water. Right answer salt water. Salt water is a good conductor of electricity because of the presence of ions. 8. The device in which electrolysis occurs? A electric cell, B voltmeter, C ammeter, D magnet. Right answer voltmeter, B. A voltmeter is is used to measure the electric potential during electrolysis. इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस इस के दौरान विद्युत क्षमता को मापने के लिए वोल्टामीटर का प्रयोग किया जाता है। 9th क्वेश्चन, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास इज 1.5, 1.3, 1.4, 1.0. राइट आंसर इज ए 1.5 अप्रोक्सीमेटली। कांच का अपवर्तनांक लगभग 1.5 होता है, जो कांच के प्रकार के साथ थोड़ा भिन्न होता है। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन 10, नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्स इज ए wind energy, B petroleum, C tidal energy, D solar energy. Right answer is a B petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel and a non renewable resources. सेक्शन बी, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। हेल्प बॉक्स में आप देख रहे हैं सबस्टेंस, गोल्ड, न्यूक्लियस, एल्युमिनियम, सिल्वर, सोलर एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, blanks and blanks are example of metals. Right answer, gold, aluminum and silver. 12, flame is produced by the combustion of substance is right answer. 13, number of oscillation per second of an object is called frequency. Frequency is the right answer. 14, solar cooker is based on solar energy. 15, the control panel of the cell is nucleus. Very short answer type question. Every questions 2 marks. First, second question है, what is the difference between noise and audible sound? Noise is irregular and unpleasant sound, while audible sound is regular and pleasant. Third, what do you understand about tidal energy? Tidal energy is the power generated by tides using the kinetic energy of rising and falling tides. Fourth, which organ does poliovirus affect? The poliovirus affects the nervous system, particularly the spinal cord. Fifth, what is the ozone layer? Write its importance. The ozone layer is a region in the Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It protects life on Earth. What is called the energy house of the cell and why? Mitochondria are called the energy house of the cell because they produce ATP, the cell's energy currency. Next question, short answer question. Every questions 3 marks. What is testosterone? Testosterone is a male sex hormone produced by the testes. It is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics. टेस्टोस्टेरोन वृषण द्वारा उत्पादित एक पुरुष सेक्स हार्मोन्स है। यह द्वितीयक यौन विशेषताओं विकास के लिए जिम्मेदार है। क्वेश्चन 9, why is irrigation necessary for crops? Irrigation is necessary to supply water to crops for growth, especially in areas with insufficient rainfall. Question 10, what is nuclear energy? Nuclear energy is the energy released from the nucleus of an atom, typically through nuclear fission or fusion. Question 11, height increases during adolescence. Why? Height increase during adolescence due to hormonal changes, particularly the growth hormones which stimulated bone growth. What is malnutrition? How can these be removed? Malnutrition is a condition resulting from deficiencies, excess or imbalance in a person's intake of energy and nutrients. It can be removed by providing a balanced diet and nutritional supplements. Short answer question, second, fourth, 4 marks every question. Question 13, make a leveled diagram of a solar cooker and explain its working. So a solar cooker uses mirror to concentrate sunlight onto a cooking container. The heat is trapped, raising the temperature to cook food. Make a leveled diagram of a solar cooker and explain its working. What is the neutralization reaction? Give an example. A neutralization reaction is chemical reaction in which an acid and a base react quantitatively with each other. In a reaction in water, neutralization results in there being no excess of hydrogen or hydroxide ion present in the solution. Example, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide equal sodium chloride plus water. Next question, what is nearsightedness? How is it removed? Nearsightedness means myopia. is a vision condition in which pupil can see close effect clearly, but object further away appear blurred. This occurs because the eyeball is too long or the cornea is too curved, causing light to focus in front of the retina. It is corrected by using concave lens. Next question, what is a comet? A comet is an icy small solar system body that when passing close to the sun warms and begins to release gas, a process called outgassing. This produces a visible atmosphere or coma and sometimes also a tail. Long answer question. Question 17. Write the main difference between dysentery and diarrhea, or what is called fertilization. Please explain. Dysentery, characterized by inflammation of the intestine, especially the colon, frequent painful stool containing blood and mucus, caused by bacterial and parasitic infection, more severe. Second, diarrhea, characterized by frequent loose watery stools, usually no blood or mucus, caused by viral, bacterial and dietary factors, usually less severe. Next, what is called fertilization? Please explain. So, fertilization is the process of fusion of male and female gametes, sperm and egg, to form a zygote. This zygote then develops into a new organism. During sexual reproduction, the sperm penetrates the eggs and the genetic material from both combines, beginning of the process of embryological development. Question 18. Describe the structure of the nucleus graphically. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, enclosed by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope. It contains nuclear envelope, a double membrane with pores, nucleolus, a dense resin where ribosomes are synthesized, chromatin, DNA and proteins that condense into chromosome during cell division, nucleoplasm, the fluid within the nucleus. Or write the uses of bacteria and fungi among microorganisms. First, bacteria used in food production, yogurt, cheese. Second, involved in decomposition and nutrient cycling. Third, some are used in antibiotics. Second, fungi used in baking like yeast. Some produce antibiotics like penicillin, used in food production like mushrooms. Long answer questions. Question 19, write a comment. Fertilizer. Fertilizer, chemical substance added to soil to increase fertility while they boost crop yields. Overuse can pollute water and soil. Vermicompost. Second, vermicompost. Organic compost produced by earthworms, enriching soil with nutrients and improving its structure. It is an environmentally friendly practice. And third, milk production, an important part of agriculture sector providing essential nutrients. Modern method increase yield, but attention to animal welfare and sustainable practice is critical. Next question, write the type of crops on the basis of seasons. First, kharif crops grown during the monsoon season, June to September. Example for rice, maize, cotton. And second, rabi crops grown during the winter season, October to March. For example, wheat, barley, mustard. And third, Jayad crop grown in the summer season between Rabi and Kharif crops. For example, watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. Question 20. What is the ozone layer? Write its importance. The ozone layer is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorb most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. Here is a breakdown of what is it and why it's so important. It's a layer in the Earth's stratosphere containing high concentration of ozone molecules. This layer is located roughly 15 to 30 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Importance, why importance? Protection from ultraviolet radiation, and second is prevention of life, and third, environmental stability. So you can detail this point. And last question is, in the substance accumulated of the surface of the leaves of neem trees located near of the road and the leaves of the trees located away from it, what difference do you find? What effect does it have on the biological process of the plant? So, leaves near the road will have a higher accumulation of dust, soot and pollutants from the vehicle. So thank you very much for watching this model answer. Thank you. Share, like and subscribe now.